Hey, my name is Isaac.
What up? My name is Luis. We are Gulf Island's
newest welding apprentices. Something I wasn't expecting was the angles to be so intricate and awkward, but with time and patience, I got used to it.
I say everything in there, grinding, welding,
Yeah, the gouging part. Yeah.
The thing I am most proud of is my 3G and 4G test.
I think it's great. I'm getting a lot of good learning experience. It's great. I'm excited to learn more and get a raise.